Here's how to convert a PDF file into Microsoft Excel. Now look at this example. We have a PDF file that contains an employee record in a table format, and we want to convert it into Excel so we can edit and analyze the data easily. First, open Microsoft Word. Then, go to the File option and click on Browse. Now locate the PDF file saved on your computer, select it, and click Open. Word will show a message that the PDF will be converted into an editable document. Click OK to continue. After that, click on Enable Editing so the document becomes fully editable. Now your PDF file is opened inside Word, and you can clearly see the table data. Next, select the entire table, right-click, and click Copy. Now open Microsoft Excel, go to a blank sheet, and paste the data using Ctrl+V. As you can see, the PDF data has now been successfully converted into Excel with all employee records properly transferred into table format. In this way, you can easily convert any PDF file into Microsoft Excel using Word. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.